yoka nengwana yaye oyo kabeira muna chibina omonene Justice David Maraga oyo nyaraka bagakoene kibura nigari agendete niganga yayo kwane kaba omurai bwenze ogatana limo bwenze ya Kenya chinga kyalenge ase kanisa ime yomo chibosongo oigo niganyaraka bagakwiraniria maboli egatiabo yabali bagoteba bana gachinde nigagutumekwa amone serikali esatanga chinga kinjike ekero abakenya baranyaka bakomanya obwene.
Today we've just come here to meet the people and worship with our brothers and sisters in the Catholic Church. Yesterday we were in Migori, where we met the brothers and sisters in the Seventh-day Church, so we are here today. We are going to talk about very many issues as the days come by. So just relax. Just relax. We are going to do this. We don't want to come to places like this in church and politicize them. Praying that they selected fit people, honest people to deliver a free and fair election. We are talking, I told you, we are talking with people. It is, at the end of the day, you know, the choice is the people's choice. If you asked me, I will tell you, I mean, I'm the right one. The other one would also say it's the right one. At the end of the day, it is the people who will decide. Well, I mean, just relax, wait. I mean, in due course, you will make up your mind yourself whether or not I'm a state project.